FileHorse.com.
Hello everyone, my name is Michael from FileHorse.com, and today I'm going to present you the top 5 awesome Adobe products for your Windows PC. Adobe Creative Cloud Apps gives you the world's best creative apps and services, so you can make anything you can imagine wherever you're inspired. Creative Cloud is a collection of 20-plus desktop and mobile apps and services for photography, design, video, web, UX, and more. Okay, let's get started. Adobe Photoshop. From photo editing and compositing to digital painting, animation, and graphic design, you can do it all in Photoshop. Bring ideas to life across Windows desktop or tablets, magically transform images with the power of AI, learn new skills and share your projects via livestream. With latest release, Photoshop is faster, smarter, and easier than ever. Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is the cloud-based service that gives you everything you need to create, edit, organize, store, and share your photos across any device. Easy-to-use tools like sliders and presets let you create photos that look just the way you want. Start on mobile, web, or desktop. Your edits will be automatically applied everywhere else. Cloud storage at 20 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or more ensures that you can access your library wherever you are. Adobe Illustrator. The industry-standard vector graphics software lets you create everything from web and mobile graphics to logos, icons, book illustrations, product packaging, and billboards. And now, experience the freedom and flexibility of Illustrator across desktop and iPad. Turn shapes and colors into logos and icons, create typography, draw freehand, and trace and recolor graphics. Illustrator is vector-based, so your artwork stays crisp even when you scale it up to stadium size. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry-leading video editing software for social sharing, TV, and film. Creative tools, integration with other apps and services, and the power of Adobe Sensei help you craft footage into polished films and videos. And with the Premiere Rush app, you can create and edit new projects from any device. You can edit footage in any format from 8K to virtual reality. Native file support, lightweight proxy workflows, and faster ProRes HDR let you work the way you want with your media, even on mobile workstations. Adobe After Effects. Create cinematic movie titles, intros, and transitions. Remove an object from a clip, start a fire or make it rain. Animate a logo or character, even navigate and design in a 3D space. With After Effects, the industry-standard motion graphics and visual effects software, you can take any idea and make it move. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. You can download this software from FileHorse.com.